Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting to the SQL Server instance using SQL Server Management Studio, or SQL CMD, and you must ensure you have sysadmin or DB creator rights. Once connected, locate the back or MDF/LDF files and confirm paths and sizes so you know where to restore from. Make sure dependent services are stopped or files unlocked, otherwise the attach or restore will fail. Now, create a logical database name you will restore into and verify destination drive has adequate free space. You now choose the appropriate method. For a back, run restore file instantly to view logical file names, then restore database with move clauses to map files to your target paths. For MDF/LDF pairs, use SB attach DB or create database. For attach and specify each file path. While executing, set the recovery model you need and watch the messages or SQL Server agent for progress and errors. If you encounter file access issues, stop and fix permissions before continuing so the operation can complete cleanly. Once the restore or attach finishes, immediately run dbcc checkdb to validate integrity, then map users to server logins and adjust permissions. Make sure to set compatibility level and recovery model to match production expectations, and tweak auto-close or auto-shrink only if appropriate. After verification, take a full backup of the restored database and update your monitoring alerts. Troubleshooting tip: if you see ORA or permission errors, check file system, ACLs, and that SQL Server service account has full control over the database file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.